Have you ever wanted a tasty and easy drink to make? Well, I would suggest making an orange Julius. So this drink was brought up in the 1920s by a man named Julius Freed. Julius lived in Los Angeles and he owned an orange juice stand. So he created many drinks, different combinations, all different kinds. After years and years, he created this particular drink and it became extremely popular. It spread through Los Angeles, California, through the people very, very quickly. People would line up outside of his orange juice stand in like long lines and they would shout, "Give me orange Julius," which is where this drink got its name. Summer is slowly approaching and I'm here today to teach you all how to make a simple but yet fantastic drink. My family and I enjoy making this because it takes absolutely no time, but it tastes so good at the same time. This drink has been popular for many, many years, and today I will be showing you all how to make it yourself. Today I will tell you about the ingredients you will need, how to properly put it in the blender, and how to serve and enjoy. Alright, the first step is gathering all of your ingredients. So first off, what you would need is 1 cup of milk. It can be skim, whole, 2%, whatever you prefer, it doesn't matter. Next off, you will need vanilla extract. I use vanilla flavoring because it's my preference, I just think it tastes better. And you will need 2 teaspoons of that. You can use either or, they taste just about similar. I just like the vanilla flavoring a little bit better. Next, you will need 1 6-ounce can of frozen juice concentrate. So some people, this is kind of iffy for some people because if you use this, it's more of a thicker drink rather than a creamy drink. So if you don't want to use this, what you can do is you can freeze orange juice into those ice cube trays and you can use that instead. It all depends on how you want to drink it. Next, you'll need a 1/2 cup of sugar or sugar substitutes. I just brought sugar because that's what I like. And 1 1/2 cup ice. I usually put ice in mine, but today I don't have it with me. So what I do is I just put 6 ice cubes because it's equivalent to 1 1/2 cup. So that's what I use. And this is all for 2 servings, 2 medium glass servings for 2 people. So now that you have gathered everything you need, it's time to put it in the blender. So first off, you want to make sure that you know how to use your blender because, you don't want something to go bad and you don't want stuff going everywhere, so please know how to use that. And the first thing you will need to do when making the drink is you will pour in your 1 cup of milk, whichever you preferred, and your vanilla extract, or in my case, the vanilla flavoring. Again, this was 2 teaspoons of it, so just make sure you have that. After this, you want to blend these 2 ingredients out. I put it on low because it's just 2 ingredients and you just want these blended out quickly. So I do that first. Alright, so after this is when you add your orange juice concentrate or your ice cubes, whichever you preferred. And this step is the most crucial step because this is what makes your drink. So you do want to make sure that your orange juice is properly blended out with your milk, or else it will taste weird and kind of funny. So make sure this is blended out correctly. I put it on medium, and it does take a little bit just because you do want to make sure that, again, it's blended out correctly. So I usually check just to see. You can kind of tell, and mine's not quite fully mixed yet, so I'm going to keep going. have this step done is when you add in the sugar, and if you have ice cubes, that's when you would add it in too. Usually when I have ice cubes, I usually add the sugar and ice cubes separately, just so everything can get mixed out correctly and it can taste better. There's my sugar, and again I put this one on medium so everything can get blended out correctly. For me, personally, this is the most crucial step, because I have had an instance where I mixed the sugar in and it wasn't fully mixed, and you can like taste like the sugar, it didn't taste good. So I want to make sure this is all mixed up correctly. Alright, so that is all good now. And if you can try it, and if it's too thick for you, what you can do is you can add little bits of water at a time, so it's not as thick, however you like it. It's just by choice. So now that we have blended everything out, it's time for us to actually drink it. We make sure that it looks like how we want it to. Again, if it's too thick, keep adding water, milk, whichever you prefer. And then we pour it to our glass and sip away. As you can see, this is an amazing drink that is very easy to make. It takes you no time to make. The drink that has been popular for years and years throughout the world will now be popular throughout your family. Today I taught you the ingredients you will need, how to properly put it in the blender, and the last step is for you all to enjoy. Hopefully you all learned something from this and you all make an Orange Julius in the sun this summer. Thank you all for listening to my speech.